London after dark hits differently, and tonight Canary Wharf is glowing. Hey everyone, welcome back to See Through Our Eyes. If you love exploring cities, hidden gems, and seeing places from a fresh perspective, you are in the right place. Before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future walks and experiences. So tonight we are taking you through Canary Wharf Winter Lights, one of London's most magical winter events, where art, light, architecture, and reflections come together to completely transform this financial district into an open air gallery. So grab a warm drink, sit back, and let's see London through our eyes. Our journey begins at Canary Wharf Underground Station. One of the best things about winter lights is how easy it is to navigate, even if it's your first time here. As soon as you exit the station, you'll find free winter light maps available. So it's available at tube station exits, at information stands, and sometimes near major light installations. The map is super helpful. It shows all the light artworks, walking routes, accessibility friendly paths, and key landmarks around Canary Wharf. Even though the area is compact, having the map lets you plan your walk and make sure you don't miss anything. Canary Wharf Winter Lights has become a much loved annual tradition in London. What started as a small light art showcase has now grown into one of the UK's largest free light festivals. For several years, artists from around the world have been invited to display interactive installations, sculptural light pieces, large scale digital artworks. What makes this festival special is the setting: modern skyscrapers, water docks, bridges, and open plazas, all acting as a canvas for light. Each year, the festival evolves, introducing new technology, fresh themes, and more immersive experiences. What really stands out this year is the variety and scale of installations. You'll notice more interactive artworks where movement, sound, or proximity affects the light, strong themes of nature, sustainability, and human connection, installations designed specifically to reflect off the dock waters, doubling the visual impact. Another highlight is how the artworks are spread across multiple areas, from Canada Square to Crossrail Place, and along the docks, encouraging a full walking experience rather than one central display. It feels less like an exhibition and more like a journey through light.
So I think Saturn is gassy, so nothing cool about Mercury.
As we start walking, you'll notice how every installation has its own personality. Some pieces are calm and meditative, bright and playful, abstract and futuristic. Others invite you to walk through them, stand inside them, or see yourself reflected as part of the artwork. One of the most beautiful aspects of winter lights is how it changes depending on where you stand. A piece can look completely different from across the water, from above on the bridge, or up close on foot. The reflection on the docks are especially stunning. Sometimes it's hard to tell where the artwork ends and the reflection begins. As you walk, you'll also hear soft ambient music, sounds triggered by movement, and the buzz of people reacting in real time. It's not just something you look at, it's something you experience. What makes Winter Lights truly unique is where it's held. By day, Canary Wharf is known for business, finance, fast paced city life. But during winter lights, the area feels completely transformed. Office towers become glowing backdrops, public squares feel warm and inviting, and people slow down, taking photos, walking together, and just enjoying the moment. It's one of the few times you see Canary Wharf feel creative, playful, and relaxed. As we come towards the end of our walk, it's clear why Canary Wharf Winter Lights has become such a highlight of London's winter calendar. Just because it's free, accessible, family friendly, and constantly evolving. Whether you're visiting London, living here, or just exploring through this video, Winter Lights reminds us how powerful art can be, especially when it's shared in public spaces. If you enjoyed walking through Canary Wharf Winter Lights with us, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to See Through Our Eyes, and let us know in the comments which installation was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next journey.